All right, I flew to New York City this morning at 5 a.m. and I'm here to see a demo of a new flying action camera, 8K video, talking 4K 120 on these things. I'm super excited to talk about what I see today. This is a cool opportunity to be able to be here and do this. I got a few minutes to mess around and then we're gonna be checking these things out. All right, guys, looks like I'm here. Let's go inside and check these things out.
Zoom out. Orbit. Bird eye.
All right, now that I'm back in Vermont, I want to share a little bit of my thoughts on these flying cameras and kind of what this event was about. So they put out invites and invite creators out to check these out and get a little bit of a hands-on experience with these new X1 Pro and Pro Max drones. Now, I did do a review video on the X1, so if you want to link back to check that out, go ahead and check it out. Maybe wait till I'm done talking about these and go back and check out the X1 so you can see a little bit of the difference between what I saw in the X1 versus what I saw in this immense improvement of the Pro and the Pro Max. I think you'll be happy with the Pro or the Pro Max if you choose to go purchase one of these. They're so cool. The video quality was night and day above the original, although the original is definitely very good video, can be used for most content creators. But these videos truly could be used in a pro setting, I think. And I'm excited to be able to actually get my hands on them in person at my house. I can go ride my e-bike with them, go hiking, skiing, all that fun stuff, and really put these things to the test. But so far, what I was able to see at this awesome little event they put on in Manhattan was just, it was really cool. I got to view some of the image quality that was actually coming out of these things, and the 4K itself looked amazing. The 8K is mind-blowing, and I don't know that there's another drone camera on the market that does the 8K, especially at this size. There probably is 8K drone cameras, but you're looking at getting into the thousands of dollar price range on them. These things are, anybody can fly them, giving you crazy picture quality, 10-bit color, just everything you could kind of want. So I'm excited to get it in hand, in person at my house, and actually be able to really play with it. And that's to come. The creators that came to these events, I believe, do expect them to come out before people ordering them are actually retrieving them, so that we can give you guys a actual like great review on them. So excited for that. This was awesome. If you enjoyed getting the first look here in my video, do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to go shoot some fun stuff in anticipation of waiting for these. So keep an eye out for new videos, and keep an eye out for my full review on the Pro or Pro Max, whichever one they send me. Check out whatever YouTube recommends to you guys. I'll see you in the next video when I put these things to the test in fall in Vermont, and we'll see what kind of cool scenery we can get. All right, go shoot something awesome. Don't forget to post it. Peace out. Later, guys.